Hi, good afternoon. It's me again, the Great Kiwinoy. So now I'm ready to pour the remaining strip of this concrete ramp for grass footpath. So now here's my ingredients. So that's about 26 liters of aggregates and 6 liters of cement, and I have 7 liters of water, but I won't use it everything. So basically, with these materials, you need to calculate the moisture content. So by doing this, assuming this is from a stockpile, so this is the aggregates from stockpile, and then you need to dry it. So meaning like a SSD, which is a saturated surface dry of aggregates, divided by the result of SSD times 100. So basically, aggregates from a stockpile minus the saturated surface dry of aggregates divided by uh, saturated surface dry aggregates times 100. You have the percentage result of moisture content of these aggregates. But since we don't have like apparatus to do that, we just do it by manual. So since I have lengthy experience in the construction, particularly in concrete construction, I just check by doing this. So meaning the moisture content is too high, so we need to look for the water you need to put here. So maybe it's about 3 to 4 liters of water needs to be added on this mixture, because we have a high moisture content on these aggregates. Alright, so to my subscriber, viewers, and other people watching my YouTube channel, please stay with me, and we have to finish this strip of concrete ramp. So spare with me, spare your time with me, and we'll finish this together with you. Now we need to mix this. So the total is 9 plus 9 plus 7, 18 plus 7, 25 liters. 25 liters of aggregates. And then we need to put the cement in the middle. So I need to put my gloves on. Then we need to mix it thoroughly. We need to mix the aggregate or builder's mix to cement right in the bottom before we need to add the water. This is just like a manual labor. It's hard to mix this almost 3 buckets of aggregates, but it's a good exercise. Alright, this is now the mixture of cement and aggregates. There's some lumps of cement. Because this cement has been sitting on the storage for quite a while, that it starts to have lumps. Alright, so we need to put the water in the middle again. So there are some more aggregates that mix to cement. Alright, now it's ready to put the water in the middle. So first we need to put about 3 liters. Or maybe 2.5. We'll see how it goes. We need to achieve a concrete mixture with a flowable state. We need some more water. So now it's 3 liters.